Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys being here. We're out here in the carving tent, and today I wanted to start talking about the raffle. I want to start putting together a raffle so we can start raffling off chainsaws, safety gear, all that kind of stuff. Now, we may be raffling off saws that could be great for a homeowner, great for a beginner chainsaw carver, stuff like that. Being able to do these sort of things obviously cost money, right? So what I would like to do is be able to give everybody the opportunity to enter to win. And right now what it's going to look like is an entry will cost you 10 bucks. Okay. Now, in order to enter, I'll have a link down below to a PayPal account. What you would do is you'd have to have PayPal set up. You'd send your 10 bucks there. And what I will do is keep a running list of entries. Now, when you send the $10 for your entry, you would have to say entering for Steel 021. If you can't write all that, you know, Steel 021. Entry, raffle, 021 raffle. How about that? 021 raffle would be your comment on your entry. And then what I'll do is I'll keep a rolling list. Now, what I would like to do eventually, like I said, is give away safety gear, give away a saw that's set up for detail carving, or even give you guys the option to choose the next saw and do stuff like that. And so I want to be able to sell about 50 or 60 entries, right? Have 50 to 60 entries at $10 each. That would cover the saw, time, parts, that sort of thing. And we would have money to roll over for the next raffle. Next raffle again would be 10 bucks to enter. You can enter more than once, but it's got to be in increments of $10. So you know, 2 entries would be 20, 3 entries would be 30, so on and so forth. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I would like to do. Now, the kicker is I don't know how long it's going to take for us to hit 50 to 60 entries, right? That's what we need in order to give it away. We got to be able to cover the cost. We got to be able to cover the shipping, all those sorts of things, and be able to have money to roll into the next one or start on the next one. Because like I said, I'd like to be giving away new units, new safety gear, and eventually having a saw set up for carving for you guys. And who knows, even get into, you know, maybe not these, but good die grinders with carving burrs, and, you know, be able to purchase that stuff and give you that opportunity. So that's what I'm thinking. I'll have the PayPal account listed down below. I am interested in your guys' feedback. So, you know, be sure to leave comments. Let's interact on this topic. I've brought it up in live feeds, and I've had several people very interested, and would love to hear your ideas and what you think about this, you know, this opportunity to start entering to win new carving equipment. Okay, so like I said before we go, we'll fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run and see what the first giveaway would be. First raffle would be. It's a raffle, so first raffle. Alright guys, so there it is, the Steel 021. Just starting it up quick for you. It runs nice. Did new gas lines, carburetor clean, new gas filter, new air filter on this unit. I can't remember if it's got I don't think it does. Spark arrestor, so that was cleaned out. I know. Already went through, sharpened this chain. She's a razor blade. But yeah, if you want, you know, like I said, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this opportunity to enter raffles and start raffling stuff off for carving mostly. But, you know, we might have that occasional one a homeowner's interested in. Really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you to all my members. That's been growing as well. This channel is over 21,000 subscribers, all because of you guys. Also, real quick, if you guys haven't already, be sure to check out my other channel, Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue. I do appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Check out some videos popping up. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Turn on those YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss future uploads. And I'll see you later.